It's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: auto-dimming rearview mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Pandora Internet Radio, trailer hitch receiver, 4-wheel drive, and Ecotec-free engine. New Car Test Drive finds that inside, the Sierra is one of the luxurious pickups, setting new standards for quietness, plush appointments, and solid construction. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.